Hello YouTube, don't mind the background noise. Got a few lighters today, went to Wenzville Flea Market. Got about 10 lighters today. And I'm just going to go through them. First one is, got this one. Spectrum, the butterfly logo on it, for $12. Bottom stamp says C of 10. Next one here is a regular satin chrome lighter. Got the old scroll type Zippos scroll lettering on it, and patent number 2. Hang on a second. It says 2517191, I believe. Yeah, 2517191 underneath the Zippo here. Bradford, PA. Got that one for $10 today. This other one I got is a camel lighter. See the camel? It says camel on the back of it too. Still sealed. BXII. Brand new. Paid $10 for it. I got this one here. The original box. It says it's got a line on each side of the Zippo with the old scroll. And Bradford, PA. I paid actually a little more for that one. I paid $20 for it. I'll open this one for you. The flint's stuck in there. I have to get that out and cleaned out and stuff. But that's okay. This one, brand new insert in. Next one is this one here from Marlboro Country Store. And in the back of it, they actually got their logo underneath the sticker. So, B of X, I believe that's 94. I paid $10, I think, for that one. This next one is another camel lighter, brand new. B of XII, paid $10 for this one. This next one here has a star on it. Don't know what it's for. It's like a black mat, the gold star. The insert says K of XII. Don't know if that's right for the lighter or not, but looks like a brand new insert. Alright. Next one is the Slim. Different flags. Like I said, don't mind the background noise. Multinational Force and Observers. 3 slashes like this on the left, and 2 like this on the right. Next one is a compass, Zippo, I think they call it. Hey, I think I got 3 or 4 of these. Brand new ones. Nope, it ain't either. But they took the flint out, so. Oh, I paid $5 for this one. I paid $3, I believe, for this one. $3. This next one, it says NFL, but I don't believe it's NFL. If you do, comment and say I believe it's NFL. So, I don't believe it is. It's just regular. Can't I see it? I see the lines going across the lighter. Anyway, I paid $15 for it. It says D of 06. It's used fairly well. And this next one, I'm saving the next one for last and not least. But it's another camel lighter. Doesn't look like a Zippo. But it came in a Zippo 10. But it is a Zippo. So, what it is, says, original 1932 replica, second release. I'm reading line to line here. First line says original 1932 replica. Then the next line is second release. Third line says Zippo. And then the fourth line says Bradford, PA, made in USA. It's got the outside hinge unopened. I gave 10 for it also. So, that's what I found at the flea market today. Actually got a couple more lighters I gotta show you. Just gonna block the camera. I'll be right back.